Hey guys, I just found the best tool to schedule social media posts. Okay, it's called Metricool, and best part is, guys, it is completely free. It is free, and guys, wow, I am amazed by this tool. Okay, I'm really amazed. Okay, look, it is free. You can do up to 50 posts per month for each brand, completely for free. Of course, they have some other paid options with things like reports and analysis and artificial intelligence. But most part, guys, if you want to schedule posts and stuff like that, it is completely free. I'll give you an in-depth overview, but let me show you what other things you can do. You can literally schedule up to a month's worth of content. If you're busy, if you know you're gonna be busy somewhere, or you would like to prefer to do work at once and then not have to worry about waking up at 12 a.m. posting because that's where your audience is mostly active, things like that. You can select the best hours to post, the hashtag, everything, guys. You can look at intuitive graphs to measure results. Guys, you can even reply to all your comments literally from one place. You don't have to keep logging into different apps, go into your phone, log into different apps, just reply to comments. You will see all the comments in one place, guys. Let me show you an in-depth overview, guys, okay? Let me show you. This is my account. I'm going to go to the connections. Let me show you also the different connections you can add. This is a web page. You can add a web page, a blog, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, whatever you can think of, guys. Twitter, Blue Sky. Guys, Twitter, okay, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch. Guys, you can add basically anything. And most of these things are free except LinkedIn and Looker Studio. Okay, those are premium features, but you can get them. It's a pretty good price. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna schedule a post and show you how easy it is to do the planning. Come here, click on planning. Okay, once you're logged in and you've collected your accounts, let me actually show you how to connect an account. It's really easy and simple. So you come to connections. For example, you wanted to connect. What do you want to connect? Instagram. Come here, click on Instagram. Click on continue. But make sure it's a professional Instagram account, not personal ones. You can connect business or creator accounts, and the Instagram account need to be linked to a Facebook page. Just click on continue, and then basically, guys, they're gonna be asking you to log into your, Facebook account. You can click on continue, and then it would basically do the connection for you. Let me close this for now, though. So now let me show you how to schedule a post. Come here, click on planning on the top here. Click on planning, and once this redirects you guys, let me show you guys. I've already scheduled two posts, one for today, Sunday, on three platforms: Twitter, Blue Sky, and Threads. So here, this is for tomorrow. Let me schedule something here. Tuesday around maybe 1 a.m. So here you can see 1 a.m. 10th December. And what should I type, guys? Let me say I love cars. My favorite one is a G Wagon, okay? And best part, guys, if you want to add images, okay, you can look for stock images or stock videos or GIFs, and you can just search here for the images. You don't even have to go ahead and download images. You can just search here, and it will bring up images for you guys. Look at these cool G Wagon photos. I like this one. I'm gonna use this one for my post. That looks really clean. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna add an emoji. I'm gonna add an emoji right here as well. You can do this completely from a PC, guys. You don't even need to use your phone, and you don't need to log into every single app. Perfect. Okay, now let's say I didn't want to post this on Twitter. I only wanted to post this on Blue Sky. I can come and click on these, and it would uncheck those social media platforms, where I can check them back in. And also, guys, you can come here and preview. I can preview what it will look like on Twitter. I can preview what it will look like on Blue Sky, on Threads, and then you can just come and click on schedule. If you want to change the time, you can do that as well. Change the date, perfectly fine. And once you're happy, just come and click on schedule. You can also change the views to desktop view and stuff like that. And soon, once this is done posting, you would see this in your calendar. So let's wait for this to be done posting. Boom, guys, it's in our calendar at 1 a.m. Okay. And if I want to come and preview it again or make more changes, I can do that. If you want to save it as a draft and publish it at a later time, you can do that. If you want to publish right now, you can do that as well. Okay, let me show you the desktop view. This would be the desktop view on a Blue Sky. This would be the desktop view on Twitter. See, guys, it's really, really easy and simple. So I hope this video helps you out. And if you're interested, guys, you can use the link in the description. I have added a link, and you can go ahead and sign up to Metricool. It's completely free unless you want to upgrade to premium. So, guys, go ahead and hit that link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.